SureTouch is an innovative masonry system for new construction and renovation projects. This system was developed by Permacon, a company that has been manufacturing masonry and landscaping products for more than 60 years. This cladding masonry system will enhance your home with its contemporary look. This innovative masonry system has many advantages. One of the major advantages of SureTouch is its thermal resistance, which increases the insulation of your home to a value of R13.5, allowing you to attain and even surpass the current building code standard. SureTouch allows you to enjoy significant savings and can reduce your heating costs by up to 42%. The energy-efficient SureTouch system is very flexible since it is designed for both new constructions and renovation projects. And the results are spectacular. SureTouch does not require a concrete foundation. A SureTouch starter strip is sufficient. Once installed, the components of the SureTouch system, namely the polystyrene, concrete stones or bricks, and the mortar, increase soundproofing. The back of the polystyrene panel is covered with vertical grooves, which creates the airspace needed for aerating the wall and allowing water to flow down. There is also an airspace between the stone or the brick and the polystyrene. The condensation can follow the grooves down and be evacuated at the bottom of the panel through weepers. The SureTouch system surpasses the high requirements of the Canadian Construction Materials Centre, CCMC 13302-R. Technical support is available at all times at suretouch.ca.